With our repayment calculator, you can compare your repayment options to help find the repayment plan that's best for you. Before you get started with the repayment calculator, we recommend logging into your studentaid.gov account. This will automatically pull your loan details into the calculator, including your loan type and current outstanding balance. Additionally, if eligible, you can provide consent and approval to import your federal tax information directly from the IRS into the repayment calculator. This prevents you from accidentally entering the wrong information and helps provide accurate monthly payment estimates. Next, you can begin exploring and comparing your repayment plan options. You will see all of the repayment plans that you are eligible for and key details for each plan. This includes estimated monthly payment amounts, estimated total to be paid, and the date your loan will be paid off. This is called the end of term date. If you're working toward Public Service Loan Forgiveness, or PSLF, you can select PSLF on to explore your options, and if you're considering consolidating your federal student loans, you can select Consolidation on to explore how consolidation affects your repayment plan options, including which plans you're eligible for. When you're ready to choose your repayment plan, select Apply. If you choose an income-driven repayment or IDR plan, you'll be taken to the online IDR application, where you can start a new application or manage your current plan. If you choose a fixed payment repayment plan, follow the instructions provided. Try the repayment calculator today at studentaid.gov/repayment-calculator.